What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be taking a look at this door-to-body Weatherstrip kit for the first gen 1993 to 1995 Lightnings, as well as showing you how to replace it. These door-to-body weather strips are going to be a direct replacement for your worn or torn factory weather strip. It is designed to be a direct replacement and installs effortlessly over the pinch welds, so no adhesive is required. The door-to-body weather strips play a vital role in keeping out water and wind noise from entering the interior of your truck. This weather strip will need to be trimmed to fit, so be sure to have on hand a good set of shears or cutters because there will be approximately 8 inches that will need to be cut off of this weather strip. It is currently sold in a kit, so you can get both sides looking factory fresh again. To begin the install, remove the 4 Phillips head screws securing the scuff plate. Set the scuff plate aside. Remove the screw retaining the upper windshield trim and A-pillar. Remove the 2 A-pillar trim screws. Bring the seat forward and remove the 2 screws from the rear trim. At this time, make sure each trim piece passes over the door-to-body weather strip. Remove the push pin from the kick panel. Now remove the screw from the A-pillar trim that's even with the dash. Carefully pull the kick panel out to dislodge the 2 clips. Go ahead and set the kick panel aside. Pull up on one of the ends and remove the old weather strip from the pinch weld. Once the old weather strip is removed, go ahead and take this time to thoroughly clean the area. Align one of the ends on the new weather strip with the pinch weld. Start the new weather strip where the old one was removed. Fully seat the weather strip onto the pinch weld. Work your way around the entire door, making sure the weather strip is fully seated. Once you've made it around the entire door, cut the weather strip even with the other end. Double check to make sure it's fully seated. At this time, you can reassemble your interior. Make sure the trim pieces are correctly positioned over the weather strip. Reinstall any screws that were removed. Reposition the kick panel and reinstall the push pin. Lastly, reinstall the scuff plate and its retaining screws. Repeat these steps for the other side. After that, you're all finished. Alright guys, this door-to-body weather strip is a must-have for anyone looking to restore their truck and of course, keep out that unwanted wind noise and water. Now, a thing to keep in mind, if you are installing this weather strip in the colder months, you may need to leave it inside of the house prior to installing it so that it stays pliable. Also make sure you fully seat the weather strip around the pinch welds, especially when turning the corners. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang, and of course, SVT Lightning.